Hey there, future doctors! Welcome to another essential tutorial that will help you in your medical journey. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of collecting a sputum specimen. This is a critical skill that you'll need to master, especially if you're working in respiratory medicine or infectious diseases. It might sound a bit daunting at first, but trust me, it's simpler than you think. With a bit of practice and patience, you'll be able to do it with ease. Let's get started. First things first, the best time to collect a sputum specimen is early in the morning. Why, you ask? Well, that's when the sputum has had time to accumulate overnight, making it easier to collect a good sample. This is crucial for obtaining an accurate diagnosis. Now, you'll need to give your patient a clean, dry, wide-necked, leak-proof container. This container is specifically designed to ensure that the sample remains uncontaminated. It's important that the container is sterile to avoid any contamination. Contaminated samples can lead to inaccurate results, which can affect patient care. Next, instruct your patient to take a deep breath and cough deeply to produce sputum. This might take a few tries, so be patient and encourage them to keep trying. It's important to guide your patient through the process and reassure them if they're having difficulty. The goal here is to get sputum, not saliva. Saliva won't provide the necessary information for a proper diagnosis. For cultures of Mycobacterium tuberculosis, you'll need a series of 3 fresh, early morning specimens, each about 5 to 10 milliliters. This ensures that you have enough material for accurate testing. If the amount is less, advise your patient to collect sputum over 24 hours or until 50 milliliters is obtained. This might require some patient education and encouragement. Don't forget to refrigerate the samples to keep them fresh. Proper storage is essential to maintain the integrity of the specimen. In cases where patients, like infants, debilitated individuals, or those unable to cooperate, can't produce sputum, you can recover M. tuberculosis from gastric contents. This is an alternative method that can be just as effective. This is done through gastric aspiration, which is performed as an indoor procedure. It requires a bit more skill and equipment, but it's a valuable technique to know. Gastric washings are best collected early in the morning while the patient is in a fasting state. This ensures that the stomach contents are minimal and the sample is more concentrated. Right after collection, these washings need to be neutralized using N10NaOH. This step is crucial to prevent the sample from degrading. This is crucial to preserve the sample's integrity. Without this step, the sample might not be usable for testing. So, there you have it. A quick and easy guide to collecting sputum specimens. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering this important procedure. A quick and easy guide to collecting sputum specimens. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it takes a few tries to get it right. Remember, the accuracy of your diagnosis heavily depends on the quality of your sample, so take your time and follow these steps carefully. A good sample can make all the difference in patient care. Thanks for watching, and good luck out there. Keep practicing, stay patient, and you'll become proficient in no time. Your dedication to learning these skills is what makes you a great medical professional.